Hello, I am Yurley Valentina Peta Palacio. My group is C36 English A2 in University UNAV. Um, I will tell about emotional intelligence. My opinion, emotional intelligence is very important because through it we have ability to recognize, understand, and manage our emotion and those of others. Emotional intelligence is important in psychology because it is relevant to people's emotional and social well-being by developing and improving emotional intelligence as the people can improve their interpersonal rela- relationship, their imperformance at work, and reduce aggression and violence. Improving emotional intelligence in psychology involves focus and self-awareness, emotional regulation, empathy, and emotional skills with practice and commitment. Individuals can improve their emotional intelligence and ultimately improve their emotional uh, well-being and interpersonal relationships. Emotional intelligence is an important innovation in psychology because it has changed the with people and then about their emotional and how they might manage them. It has led to a greater learning of the imper implement of emotional skills in emotional social well-being and has led uh, to the creation of of training program and workshops and to help people develop uh, these skills. Examples of emotional intelligence in everyday life, um, being able to identify the emotion you present at the moment, such as sadness, fear, fear, and joys, disgust, surprise, and among others. A situation make the person angry. Emotional intelligence will be at the moment in which the person managing to identify hope it and hope he has this emotion with the need to harm another or himself. For example, teamwork and presenting an inconvenience or problem, emotional intelligence will be reflect here in seeking solutions and communicating assertively among others. So much.